What's good, you guys? What's good? I'm filming a video. I've never filmed an actual video, but we're gonna play a game. Take the rest of this, you know that I'm back. You know that I'm I'm just gonna walk around and tell you some things. Like, I'm gonna be telling you guys stories, okay? That I've had. Well, no. Sorry, guys, I gotta figure out. Comment down below what I should do next. I'm just gonna walk around and talk to you, okay? So, I hope I get cool, I'm trying to beat my friend in subscribers on YouTube. So if this video can blow up and I can get more subscribers, tell your friends, family, and everyone that you know to subscribe to my channel so I can beat people. If you know why my hands are black and blue, I painted a scooter. Y'all can't see it, but it's like drying in a barn and it's locked, so. But yeah. It's going to be a little bit of a video. Just all the stuff, you guys. Just all the stuff. I take the reference from, you know that I'm blowing. They see me blowing up when they see me what's up. You know, let's go. They see me blowing up. Whoa, I fell down. Ow. You know that I'm blowing. They see me blowing up. Oh, crap. You know that I'm blowing. So, oh, crap. I'm doing parkour. I'm gonna be riding this drifty thingy. Look, it's this thing. It's like it's a drifter. And y'all can watch me whip. Oh. I'm gonna put you over there so you all can watch me. But here we go. On the Rip Rider. Y'all wanna come with me? I bet you do. I'll go. I bet. And they see me. Then they see me once. No, they see me going. Go burn out. They see me blow. See me once. They see me. Whoa, I ain't dumb. But I'm gonna take my aspiration. So yeah, just be on this Rip Rider 3000. I'm not gonna be, you know that I'm going to see. I think it's it's the Rip Rider 360. Never mind. It's Razor. So yeah, know that I'm blowing this. To see me blowing up in this. So next video is gonna be something. Next video, I think it's gonna be me at the skate park. I think. Yeah. So yeah. Peace out. Hope y'all stay healthy. Get a workout in. Enjoy your life, man. Peace. Make sure to subscribe. Beep.